So iOS 18 public beta finally dropped, and this essentially means that this is still beta software, not the full version of iOS 18, but this version should be more stable for those of you that did not want to sign up for the developer beta. We're diving into the brand new iOS 18 public beta. We'll be checking out some of the coolest new features Apple has rolled out, from a slick new control center and enhanced lock screen controls to awesome AI integration and boosted privacy settings. iOS 18 has a lot to offer. We still unfortunately won't be taking a closer look at the big upgrades to Siri and messages because we still haven't received them. It has been noted that Apple Intelligence, which is the technology powering so many of the new AI features coming later on, probably won't be released to the public until we get a future update to iOS 18. But there are still lots of other features that came with the beta that are definitely worth taking a look at. Welcome to the Wondershare Dr. Phone channel. My name is Francisco, and in today's video, we will be going over some of the key features that you will get with the iOS 18 public beta, and we will even show you a guide for installing this beta at the end. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. The most important features. There are quite a few features being introduced here with the public beta, so why not take some time to talk about the most important features that you should keep an eye out for? Well, here's a comprehensive list of everything of note. Starting off with Revamped Control Center. The Control Center in iOS 18 has been redesigned to offer customizable layouts and multiple pages, providing users with greater flexibility in accessing their most used settings and controls. Enhanced lock screen. The lock screen now supports more advanced controls and customization options, allowing users to manage notifications, widgets, and other elements directly from the lock screen itself. Photos app overhaul. The Photos app has received a major update, organizing photos by themes and providing more extensive customization options. New tools for enhancing images, removing objects, and adjusting various parameters make photo management more powerful and user-friendly, but we still haven't really seen those powerful photo editing aspects be released with iOS 18 beta. We should be seeing it much later on with the full release of iOS 18 and the like. Safari upgrades. Safari now includes machine learning features that can summarize articles, provide location details, and even more. These enhancements aim to improve the browsing experience by offering more contextual information at a glance. Dedicated Passwords app. A new Passwords app has been introduced, making it easier for users to manage their login information and passkeys. This app is available across iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Vision Pro, and will also be accessible on Windows. AI integration. AI features are a significant highlight of iOS 18. Siri has been upgraded to be more intelligent with improvements to its large language model technology. The Messages app now includes AI-driven features like autocomplete suggestions, message summarization, and reply suggestions. Additionally, Apple Music has a new AI features for creating auto-generated playlists, and iWork apps like Keynote and Pages benefit from generative AI capabilities. Privacy and security enhancements. The privacy and security settings have been redesigned for easier management. New options include control over how contacts are shared with apps, improved Bluetooth privacy, and more secure pairing of different accessories. Accessibility improvements. iOS 18 brings significant accessibility enhancements such as eye tracking for controlling the iPhone with just the eyes, music haptics for syncing the Taptic engine with music for those who are deaf or hard of hearing, and vocal shortcuts for triggering actions with atypical speech. Shareplay enhancement. Shareplay has been improved with enhanced screen sharing capabilities, allowing users to draw on someone else's screen or take control of it for more interactive sharing experiences. Emergency SOS live video. This new feature allows users to share streaming video and recorded media during emergency calls, helping dispatchers provide more accurate and timely assistance. Apple Fitness Plus updates. Apple Fitness Plus has been redesigned to offer a more personalized selection of workouts and meditations. The new For You tab highlights activities based on user preferences, and a new search feature makes finding specific workouts much easier. Now, there are also some other features that came along with iOS 18 beta, those being that we have a nicer looking calculator app. Of course, a lot of people memed about that as well. Calendar app has also received some updates. Freeform has also been improved, and RCS, which has been especially useful to me for messaging my friends and family who prefer to use Android devices instead. Now that you know what features came with iOS 18 Beta 3, 3 and now have been implemented as part of the more stable iOS 18 public beta, let's talk about how you can download and install the public beta easily. Part 2. How to install iOS 18 public beta. Like always, we recommend that you back up your data before installing any beta of any kind because this technically isn't stable software yet, so you want to mitigate any issues that come along the way. Because of that, I will show you how to back up your data first, and then I will walk you through how to install the beta. To back up your device, just unlock your iPhone. Now enter the settings menu and click on your profile icon on top. Tap on iCloud, then scroll down to iCloud Backup. From there, just click on the Backup Now option. Wait for it to finish, and once it is done, you will be able to continue with the update. Now, to install the iOS 18 public beta, you have to enroll in the Apple Beta Software program, which is completely free if you just want to test out the software. So visit the official site and sign in with your Apple ID. Agree to the terms that you will be presented with, then just continue from there. On this site, navigate to the iOS tab, tap Download Profile, then allow the installation to take place. Afterwards, just go ahead and return to your settings. Tap Profile Downloaded, tap Install. From here, the beta will be installed. Once it is finished, you can verify that you have installed the beta by going back into your settings, then General, then Software Update. Here you should see that you have iOS 18 beta now installed. Then from there, you should be good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way up to the very end. If you liked this video, then please make sure to leave us a like and comment any of your questions and thoughts down in the comments section. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this and hit the notification bell to stay updated every time a new video comes out. Until next time, have a great day.